In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your lost Oculus controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about various steps that you can take to help you locate a lost Oculus controller. Now, something that I want to make extremely clear is that as of today, according to my research, there is no direct way to find it. As you might be aware, a lot of phones have some sort of feature that allows you to ping them so you can know the exact location by either using a GPS, a map, or something similar. Well, sadly, the Oculus Quest controllers do not have any sort of feature that allows you to ping them, make them vibrate, or give you their exact location, and because of this, it can be a frustrating task to find them. It all boils down to the fact that you have to physically look for them. So these are the steps that I'm going to give you in this video. First, retrace your steps. Think carefully. Where were you last using the controller? Was it in a specific room, near a piece of furniture where it could fall underneath, or in a particular game? And remember to search thoroughly through the area. Check all potential locations, even under cushions, furniture, behind curtains, or in unexpected places. If you have other people over, you can ask them for help, and you should especially ask them if they took the controller. They might have thought that it was something else and have placed it away, so always talk to people if you have roommates or parents. Now, try to use a phone flashlight to illuminate dark areas, and something that you can try to do is utilize your VR headset. Even though they don't have any sort of feature that allows you to ping the controller, whenever you put the headset on, they could actually appear in the virtual world. So by appearing in the virtual world, you would be able to see their exact location and just go over there. But because they don't feature any sort of sophisticated hardware that allows you to ping them, you will have to just keep searching in the hopes of finding them. If worst comes to worst, you will have to purchase a new one through the accessories store on the Oculus Quest website. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your lost Oculus controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.